The biggest problem that Auveco had was just inventory problems on both sides of the spectrum. The SKUs that we needed to service our customers, we did not have enough of and didn't know when we were getting them. And then numbers that we didn't have much movement on, we had a ton of. Other issues we ran into is that over the years, we've acquired several companies between mergers and acquisitions that really had no SKU history on them that we brought over, just that what we had slowly built in our ERP, and we didn't know how to handle them. StockIQ was able to help with that. And the other problem we really had is that all of our data, period, was buried in our ERP, which is 15 years old and has been customized to the point that we can no longer use any of it for our sourcing needs. Before the implementation of StockIQ, Auveco was experiencing troubles everywhere. We could not see what was coming in. We could not see what was late. We had no way to have any visibility at all on what vendors, what partners we need to start calling to try to get our stock moving, because everything had to be done by SKU level. One word, actually, visibility. Visibility across the board. And it was visibility that was meaningful on day one of launch. Even before we knew how to use the tool really well, we immediately could see stock that we were out of and had no idea because the orders were a little bit into the future. We knew what stock was on its way and what vendors to start calling that very day to start expediting those orders to get it house. Able to begin the process of effectively managing our inventory. We were able to get those numbers we needed to service our customers in a better manner quickly. And we were able to start seeing those slower moving items in a different light to know, hey, these are numbers we don't need to stock anymore. More importantly than that, those businesses that we acquired through our acquisitions and mergers, we could start to take some action on those part numbers because we were doing a really poor job in servicing those legacy customers. And that was an area that StockIQ immediately was able to help with. So we chose StockIQ because StockIQ was the total package. When we first started searching and looking at partners to be our supply chain partner or demand planning software partner, that's exactly what we were looking for, a way to help us know what to order, when to order it, and when it was coming in. We hadn't even taken into account things like forecasting or how StockIQ or any other partner would be able to help us with order management. So when we've seen the tool that StockIQ had and each module that StockIQ had and how it could change our business, we were really impressed by that.